Today's recipe, we're using 1.5 cups of grated carrots, and this was about 3 carrots, and I put it in the food processor. We're going to use 1.5 cups of flour, and I sifted the flour. We're using 1/2 cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of oil. Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack our eggs and we're going to whisk them. So I have 2 eggs. We're going to whisk them. Now we're going to add the sugar and the oil slowly as we whisk to make sure that it all gets incorporated. This is a tough job. It's definitely going to build some muscle. We're going to add the rest of our sugar. So first we're going to do our wet ingredients. This looks great. Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So we have our flour, our baking powder, baking soda, and salt, our cinnamon and nutmeg, and now we're going to combine these together. And I found this cutest little whisker at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's super cute and it does the job. Sometimes you don't want such a big whisk like this one I have over here, but this one is perfect. All right, now we're going to add our egg mixture with the dry ingredients. And we're going to incorporate it. No lie, I low-key want to lick the bowl, even though it's egg. Is that weird? I know. I think it's just a combination of the egg and the sugar that calls my attention. Anyway, so we're going to combine these until they're nice and mixed. This is going to be our batter. So it smells good. It smells a little bit like Christmas because of the nutmeg. Alrighty. Now that I am done with my whisker, I'm actually going to switch to a spatula to help me fold the ingredients together. Alrighty, so the batter is a little thick. Just make sure you do your best to stir everything around. Make sure the flour is fully incorporated into the mixture. Okay. Now, we're going to stir in the carrots. And the walnuts. So we're going to do this until everything is combined and everything's integrated together. And it looks really, really good. And the carrots, what they do is also they bring some moisture to the cake as well. Alright, looks like everything's mixed. Now I'm going to get my pan, spray it with nonstick spray, and we're going to bake at 350 for about an hour. Alright, so here is my pan. I sprayed it with cooking oil, and I also put a little piece of parchment paper below so it's easier for me to remove the cake when it's time. We're going to pour our batter in. And the best pan for this amount of batter would be about a 9x5 loaf pan. I couldn't find my loaf pan today, but this should do the job. And then just make sure you spread it out evenly. And once our oven is preheated, like I said, to 350 degrees, we're going to cook it, we're going to bake it for an hour. So I'll check back with you guys in an hour. Alright guys, and there you have it. I actually cooked it for about 55 minutes. And it is perfect. It smells wonderful. It smells warm. The nutmeg and the cinnamon really make a huge difference in the smell. There you guys have it. This amazing, delicious carrot cake. So simple to make. I mean, it's so moist and fluffy. Oh. It's not too sweet. It's super moist. It's delicious. I hope you guys give this a try. Super easy, like I said. If I can do it, you can do it too. I hope you guys liked this video. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.